So I was out hunting this morning, didn't catch anything, but I wasn't worried about it. Just like I'm not worried about my business because I'm set up with REI Automated. Before this, our business had no way of tracking KPIs, no way to know who we have followed up with, no way to know what leads are coming in, and how many times we've already contacted them. It was complete and utter chaos. Ever since joining REI Automated, we're able to track all of that, and I'm able to sleep soundly at night just because I know that I don't have to keep all that information up here. I'm able to just go on there, see who is in the lineup that I need to contact that day, and as long as I'm getting those checks, I'm able to move forward with the business. We were able to revive leads that we thought had fallen off, but because of the system and the follow-up sequences that they're put on, we've gotten deals from leads that we thought were completely dead. So REI Automated has completely changed our business, changed the game, changed how we've approached real estate investing in general, and we cannot recommend it enough. So anybody thinking about join REI Automated, check it out and see how it transforms your business.